back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload, which is 3 times a week: Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Albeit I don't know if I will be uploading Tuesday coming up, but there will definitely be an upload on Thursday and Sunday. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think of this Valentine's look? I'm living for it. At first I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, but I think it looks okay. It's a little bit messy, so don't come for me, but I actually really like it. I really do like it. And let me just show you the inspiration behind it. Inspired by Mervyn Mitchell's look a few years back. This was, it's only last year, 22nd of January 2020. Obviously nowhere near as good as that, but this is my own little attempt for Valentine's Day. And this video is also in collab with Alex's Patreon. As you've seen before, we do quite a few collabs. We're trying to do one a month. I do them with Alex's Patreon and Lucy's Patreon. Bunch of really amazing ladies, and I will link them all down below. I'm excited to see what they've all created as well. And I'm doing this a bit short notice, like it is 4 o'clock on Valentine's Day, and I've only just finished doing this look, so now I need to edit, hopefully get it up in time, as well as cook a roast dinner. So we're just gonna crack on with it. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel, would really appreciate it. And I'm just gonna leave it as that. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next slide. look. Let me know down below what you think. Overall, I've used products that I really love, so this isn't a review video, but it's just to create this lovely little Valentine's look. At first I didn't think I was going to be able to do it because the liner was getting everywhere, but I think I fixed it a bit. Still a bit messy, but yeah, definitely a work in progress. And I do wish that I stuck on some underlash as well, because I think that would have made it look pop a bit more. Yeah, I've been absolutely in love with this look ever since I saw Mitchell do it a few years back. Yeah, so hopefully I've done it okay and you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out the rest of the girls' posts. I will link everyone's links for their channels and their posts down below for Alex's Patreon, because this is a collab video, and yeah, it was fun to do. So I hope you've had a really good Valentine's, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit a big thumbs up, and please also remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So yeah, that's enough for me now, and I need to go cook a roast dinner. So stay safe, enjoy the rest of your Valentine's Day, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!